Hi everyone, welcome to Code Bloom, the place where your coding journey begins and blossoms. In this channel, we are diving into the world of C programming, one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in history. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you are a total beginner or just curious about coding, don't worry, you are in the right place. As the starting point in this video, we'll cover what is programming, why should you learn programming, and introduction to C programming. By the end, you will have a strong foundation to move forward with confidence. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is programming? Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer to solve a problem or perform a specific task. Computers are incredibly powerful, but not very smart. They only do what we tell them to do step by step using a set of instructions called a program. Think of it like writing a recipe. You'd write down all the steps, gather ingredients, mix them, bake, and serve. A program works the same way, but the instructions are written in a language the computer understands. Some common tasks you can achieve with programming include creating apps, automating repetitive work, controlling robots, or even building games. Now, why should you learn programming? Well, first of all, it's everywhere. From the smartphone in your pocket to self-driving cars on the road, programming is what powers the modern world. And let's not forget about career opportunities. Programmers are in high demand right now, and learning to code can open up doors to some really exciting and high-paying tech careers. But it's not just about jobs, it's also about problem solving. Programming teaches you how to think logically and break problems into smaller, manageable steps. And honestly, that's a skill you can use in any part of life. And here's the best part, it's fun. Once you start building things, whether it's a small app or automating a task, the possibilities become endless. I'm sure learning to program might feel a bit tricky at first, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Stick with it and you will be amazed at what you can create. Alright, without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the main topic, C programming. So, what is C? C is a programming language created back in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie. And here's the cool part. It's like the parent of many modern programming languages. Ever heard of C++, Java or Python? Well, they all trace their roots back to C. But you might be wondering what makes C so special, right? Let me explain. First, efficiency. C is incredibly fast, which is why it's being used to build operating systems like Unix and other performance-critical applications. Second, flexibility. With C, you can do a lot. You can directly control hardware or write software. It's used everywhere, from operating systems and games to embedded systems like the ones in smart devices or even microwaves. And third, it's the perfect foundation. Learning C gives you a deeper understanding of how computer works under the hood. It's like learning to drive a manual car. It might feel tricky at first, but it gives you full control. Pretty amazing, right? Now that you know why C is so important, let's keep building on this foundation together. In the next video, we will take our first steps into writing actual C programs. We'll set up the tools you need like a code editor or an IDE and explain how to start coding. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. For now, if you enjoyed this video and are excited to learn more, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Codely. Let's grow and learn together in the world of programming. See you in the next video.